Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX S5. If you're after a lightweight camera that delivers heavyweight performance, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 is the one to watch. This full-frame mirrorless powerhouse is a dream for photographers and videographers alike. Its 96-megapixel high-resolution mode captures breathtaking detail, making your photos burst with life, whether it's dramatic landscapes, intricate portraits, or stunning night shots. And with dual native ISO, it's a low-light warrior, giving you crystal-clear images even in tricky lighting conditions. But wait, it gets even better for video lovers. The LUMIX S5 shoots crisp 4K at 60 frames per second, and if you're in the mood for some cinematic flair, its 180 frames per second full HD slow-motion video will turn everyday scenes into something spectacular. Plus, the 5-axis dual image stabilization means you can ditch the tripod for those quick on-the-go shots without worrying about shaky footage. One of the coolest features? Its live view composite mode lets you take long exposure shots of fireworks or starry skies, perfect for creative souls looking to push the boundaries. And with autofocus that tracks eyes, faces, and bodies with ninja-like precision, the LUMIX S5 ensures that nothing important slips through the lens. While the price might be a little high for some, the performance and features of the Panasonic LUMIX S5 make it worth every penny.